Hi everyone, welcome to your third Workout Wednesday for the month of January. My name is Noah Wyrostek and I am a part of our creative services team here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Florida Network Realty. And in this week's video, we are going to be covering a new flyer template in our design platform that's going to show recent activity for a neighborhood that you are farming. So with that being said, let's get started. Like we said, this is a new flyer template in our design platform. It is going to be something that shows recent activity in the neighborhood that you're farming. You can show active homes in that neighborhood, recently sold homes in that neighborhood, or the pending homes in the area. You can include information such as the address, the square footage, the pricing, but you can also show images within this flyer. We're going to walk you through a tutorial of how you can get those images from a website that we found, and these images are going to add a little bit of flair to that flyer. By sending out this real estate market activity flyer, you are going to be showing that you are a trusted source of real estate information. You're also going to be showing that you have the determination to stay up to date on statistics within the real estate market, which is not something that's easy to do. Furthermore, you're going to be increasing your chances of having your name be recalled whenever that home buyer or that home seller is looking for a real estate agent to provide them a service. Now, we said that there was a website for you to get these images that are put into your flyer. If you look at your Do More in 24 campaign flyer for the month of January that we handed out, you're going to see that the website we included was batchgeo.com. I will say that this is no longer available. From the time that we created that document to the time where we are filming the video now, that website has become a paid service, and we would like this to be free to you, something that is easy for you to do. So we found an alternative website. It's going to be mapline.com. I'll put that URL here on the screen so that you can go to it very easily, and then we can show you a tutorial now of how we are going to get these images for you and download it to your computer so you can put them into your flyer template. Now, if you come into mapline.com, you're going to see a dashboard that looks like this. Whenever you want to get started on this website, you're going to first come into here for the add new items. Firstly, we're going to want to add a database to this website that we can use. So whenever you come in here, you will get a pop-up window that allows you to name your data set. We're just going to call it test data for right now. And then for spreadsheet data, I have an Excel sheet that you can simply copy the headers of. It's going to be very easy to implement into an Excel spreadsheet for you. I've just included some fake information that I pulled from the another website that is going to be used for the sake of this video. But for you, you're going to definitely want to copy these headers. So if you need to, you can simply pause the video, create a spreadsheet right quick, get all your information in, and then come back once you're ready. So once we have all of our information here, it's going to be very important that when you're copying and pasting that you include the column headers, because it's going to autofill into the next step of the website. It's going to be a lot easier and it's going to save you a little bit of a headache. So we're going to copy all of this. You can just click Command or Control C, Command C if you're on a Mac, and then you're going to paste it straight into the website and click Next. Like I said, as you see, it autofills your column headers into here, making it a lot easier for you. So all you have to do now is click OK, and then your data set is into the website. Now to create a map, you can come in here again to add new items, go to New Map, again, name your map. And then it's going to open up another window that shows just a blank map. And once we get into this blank map, we're going to implement our data set and then create the map that we need for our flyer. So to get that data set into here, you will need to go up here to Add, click Pins, and then From Data Set Library. And then it should pop up that data that we just put in. You can check mark it and then click OK. And it will automatically create some pins for you. Now, obviously, because my pins are over a wider area, they're going to be very spread out on the map, and it's going to look a little bit different than yours, where you might just have some houses in a specific neighborhood, and you're going to be probably a lot closer together and get a better image of a neighborhood. So to get the image out of mapline.com, you're going to come up here to options, save as image. For save, just click map and then size is regular and press OK. And it will automatically download straight to your computer, and you can implement it straight into our design platform, so you can add it into the design template, and then you can kind of spruce it up from there and add your own kind of flair and branding to it. That does it for our Workout Wednesday for the 3rd week of January. I hope that you have some fun. I hope that the tutorial is very simple. If you do not get it like we have just showed you, please feel free to email us here on this email, and we can walk you through and show you how to get it done. Other than that, you have 7 days to complete this challenge, so good luck.